In this video, I've got a request on how to multiply a mixed number. Okay, so let's do a quick review. A improper fraction would look something like this. A mixed number would look something like this. It's a whole number with a fraction. So we get rid of the improper one here, and we just go with this one over here. If you're going to multiply this number, say multiplied by 4 3/4, looks quite confusing. Here are the steps. Step 1, how many? You're going to multiply this times this, the whole number and the denominator. Then you're going to add the numerator to make just an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 would give us an improper fraction of 8/3. Over here, same thing. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 3 is 19/4. Okay, now the next step is to multiply fractions. And if you think back to an earlier lesson, adding fractions, subtracting fractions is a little bit tricky. Multiplying fractions is actually quite basic. We would like to make this in simpler terms. Unfortunately, these already are in simplest terms. So next thing we're going to do, 8 times 19, and that's going to be our new numerator, and 3 times 4, our new denominator. What's 8 times 19? Crack open your sheet, write it down, do the math. 9 times 8 is 72. 1 times 8 is 8, plus 7 is 15, which makes 152. And then the other part, should be able to do mental math in your head. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, can we make that more simple? Yes, let's divide it by half. Let's do this. 6 on the bottom, and that would be 76. Can we still make it smaller? I think we can still divide that in half, which would be, let me do it quickly in my head here, 38/3. That would be simplest terms. But the part that matters the most, apologies about the bell, part that matters most is right here. Changing this, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 equals 8. Denominator stays the same. Do that, get it as an improper fraction, then just multiply the top and the bottom. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. That's it.